I'm your food hero, Martin de la Peña. Today I'm going to show you a very simple and easy dessert. I'm sure your family is going to love this, even your friends and your loved ones. Now, to start, we're going to need a simple crepe wrapper and a sweet custard. Now, to begin, we just need to take this crepe wrapper and a tablespoon of this sweet custard. Like this, just place it here. You can mash this so that you can spread it all over. And then just roll it like this one. Get another one. Another spoon. Alright. There you go. There we have it. And now just to place this in a very beautiful plate. There we have it, our crepe. Now to add a little bit of flavor and beauty to our dishes, we just drizzle a little bit of chocolate syrup, like this. Some more. Alright. And a little condensed milk for a little creaminess. To add a little creaminess to our dish. And now, a simple crunch of nuts will add the flavor. There we go. So now we have our crepe. We just have to can I taste this for you guys there, to at least to have my expression. No, this ultimate, you just gotta try this one. It's sweet, it's creamy, it's a bit crunchy, and chewy. Nah, it's soft. If it's like a dress, it's silk, and I really can't express it myself. You gotta try this one. Yeah. So, thank you. I'm your food hero, Martin de la Peña. I'll see you again next time here at Asian Food Channel.